In this tutorial I will show you how to create a filter in Elementor that allows you to filter everything that you like. As a first step, you go to this website and click on free download and download the plugin. And then you go to your website, and on your website you go to plugins, click on add new and upload the plugin. After that, you go to your pages and open the page where you want to filter the section. So in my case, it's this one. For this demo, I'm gonna filter this theme. And what we need to do now is create the buttons that we want to use to filter them. So what you do now is you add buttons to it. That you want to use to filter. In this example, I will use 3 buttons. And then you name them and style them. After you style the buttons, you go into the settings, advanced, and here you type in the EF-button class. That tells it that it's a filter button. And for the marketing, you add another class to it with EFC, that means Elementor Filter class, and with marketing in this example. This combines the elements or the columns in this example to the button. As a next step, when you did this for all the buttons, then you go to the section of the elements that you want to filter and add the class EF-area. That just tells it that there are the filterable modules. So then in this example we want to filter the columns. So we go into the column section, then we go into the classes, and here you add the class that you want it to be in. So in this example we put it into marketing, and then for Mike we put him into sales, and Nelly we put him into marketing. Yeah, and basically that's it. You do that for the other sections as well and for all the columns, and then you're good to go. If you then save the page and go to preview changes, then you can see that all the buttons are connected. If you want to highlight the current button that you have pressed, then all you need to do is get the premium version, and this will be automatically work with the premium version. All you need to do is just add a little bit of CSS, but I have documentation about it. You also get more features, like you can filter the new containers, you get filter animations, and you also have multiple filter modes like multi-select filtering, so you can have multiple buttons active. So if you had, like, let's say 10 buttons and you want marketing and sales, then you have a mode for that, so you can press on marketing and then sales, and it will combine the filter results. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.